Nadine Lustre Kim daw makatrabaho si Catherine Bernardo kapag niremake ang dating pelikula ni Vilma Santos at Nora Honor na T-Bird at Ako. Halina't panoorin natin ang buong detalye. Nadine Lustre Kim daw makatrabaho si Catherine Bernardo kapag niremake ang dating pelikula ni Vilma Santos na T-Bird at Ako. Magiging challenge pa rin naman daw ito sa kanya dahil sa plot twists ng pelikula at dahil bago ito sa kanya. Na-interview na dati si Vilma Santos tungkol dito. Tinanong siya kung sino ang gusto niyang mag-remake ng T-Bird at Ako at ang sagot niya ay si Catherine Bernardo. Sinagot naman ni MJ Felipe na ang choices ay si Catherine Bernardo at Nadine Lustre at ang naging sagot naman ni Vilma Santos ay pwede naman daw dahil parehas silang magaling. Halina't panoorin naman natin ang video interview ni Nadine Lustre.
I mean, it's very challenging, especially because, you know, like with all of the movies na ganito or the projects na ganito, it's especially if you're uncomfortable with that kind of intimacy, you know, showing. I mean, parang kung kayo-kayo na nga lang, medyo nakakailang. Because I've had an experience before na may ganyan, and that's why I know that I'm really straight. Kasi naka-experience ako ng ganyan. But then, yun lang, I guess it's magiging challenging lang dyan for me is the level of comfortability. But ako naman, I'm always game for challenges.